Egan. I'm not at Tadmore today. I'm here in my greenhouse conducting a little science kindness. And today we are making a bird feeder for the birds that live right around here. And you too can make bird feeder for the birds that live right in your yard. I see so many signs of spring right around here. I see daffodils, one of the first flowers of spring, coming up, peeking through the ground. And I see birds right around here and they are looking for food. Sometimes they can't find it. We've had some ice, we've had some snow, and some days it's a little hard for them to find the food that they need. So I thought we could make some little bird feeders. I have all of my supplies and you can pause this and get your supplies too. I have my peanut butter. If you are allergic to peanut butter, or if you don't have any, there is a thing called sunflower butter. I have my seeds. This is a nice variety of seeds for the birds that live around here. There are some great big seeds in here, and there are also some nuts in here for them. I have my pine cones. I have a few pine cones. And I have my string and a scissor. I have all of my things that I need right here to make this. So the first thing I did was with my pine cones, I tied my string around because I don't want to do this later. I don't want to do it when it's full of sticky peanut butter. So I just made a little knot in here, keeps it nice and secure for when I go to hang this in one of my trees outside. The next thing that I did was I covered it with peanut butter. Sometimes my pine cone can be a little prickly, but I'm very careful when I'm holding it, and I cover the whole thing. I want to cover the whole thing with peanut butter. The next thing that I did was put it right around and rolled it in all of that great seeds. And the peanut butter is nice and sticky, and all of my seeds cling onto it. So then when I hang it outside, it's a great place for a bird to land and find all of this great food. When I went to look for my pine cones the other day, I found them like this. And I thought, uh-oh, this isn't great. I need places for all that peanut butter to hold on to. I left them in my house for a few days. It was nice and dry and warm, and all of my pine cones opened up. And now these are really, really great for peanut butter. I made one for my house to hang in my yard, and I'm going to make the next one to hang somewhere at Tadmore. I hope that you will come to me and tell me a great place that we can hang this so we can see some birds having a nice feast. Thanks for joining me today.